said I got box. Let me turn down music. I'll turn on slow.
Oh, George.
Oh, I need to mute myself on Discord. I
No,
know.
don't. It's funny because I'm recording it.
Oh, okay.
So if you go in playback speed, you make it.
First time, a banana. Not a banana.
Mate, stop playing
Banana.
music in there.
Alright, are we going for the second object?
Yeah, second
Yeah.
object.
Alright. We going with left or right?
Either.
Right.
Right, we go with right
Yeah,
this
we're
time.
going right.
What the
It's important to be.
fucking pig? Fucking pig! And a fucking... fucking peas! Some frozen peas for me head. What the fuck? Ooh, that's gold. Look at that frozen fucking peas.
Important to
think-
play Marcus. Has to
I
put
think one
this
place gonna be
into a
fucking.
bag.
Oh, hold on. Fucking peas. What the
Mukbang,
fuck? Mukbang.
Oh no.
George, don't open the door.
Open the peas.
I understand.
Oh, drop the pea.
Don't eat them frozen. Oh, no.
Gross.
Why else?
Yeah, because you're not supposed to eat them frozen.
Next subject. Next subject.
Now 4 weeks straight.
That's gold. Whew. So it's a cucumber, to be fair. I can't
Stop.
deep fry anymore. I'm gonna stop because it actually makes me feel really sick. Alright, which one? Are we going with either or you want left or right? Left or right?
Left. Left.
Oh!
That's why our plan is 70%.
Fucking fruit! Fucking fruit! Right, hey! Fruits!
Let's get the order up.
He seems chuffed about it now it's actually arrived.
Strawberry. You know, I've
George,
never
go
actually
give one to
liked
your mum.
for fuck's sake.
George, you don't have to open all of them, you know. You don't have to.
Go give one to your mum.
Mm. I spilled some on my lap. Hold on, shit.
No, Put the Fruit Loop. Stop.
I don't like boobs.
Why are you drinking it then? Stop. We fed
all
it for like a
contact.
week.
Yeah.
I might do a video tomorrow. I'll be popping these somewhere.
You want to
No,
do
I'm not
sister's
then I'll
door?
have to clean it up and I don't want to clean it up. Yeah, pop in my sister's room.
Yeah, no, slide it under the door and then just stamp on it from the other end.
Put it under a pillow as a
Yes.
prank.
Next
You've done that.
subject.
Next
I've
item.
mostly eaten vodka. Alright. Which one?
Close your eyes.
Alright.
Put it in front of you, but don't open your eyes. Let
Oh,
us see
okay,
first.
okay.
Right, you gotta guess what it is.
That's not fucking food, is it?
It should have stickers in there.
In there, hold on. Stick. What the fuck is this? It's got some fucking meals or something, what the fuck?
He's gonna be using that like tonight.
Oh, that is so funny, I'm gonna come on this, I'm not even
No, no.
I'm gonna come on it. Alright, hold on, there's some drop. No, you might see my feet then.
Exciting.
Mm,
You gotta close your eyes and guess what it is. Alright?
Hold on. Hold on, my friend's about to die, let me get my charger real quick.
Right, I'm gonna have an intermission for storage, bro.
See? That's what I'm gonna do to click. That's what I'm gonna do to clicks. That's what I'm gonna do to click too. Alright, so
Previously.
It gets even better.
If I move the camera too around, you might see my naughty
so
little
this is a graph, okay? This is a X. Okay.
What did he say?
It gets even better, don't you, Rory?
What is this?
What did he say?
Sweet.
Is that the Y or is that the X? Come on.
No, my sock collection.
Oh.
Just close your eyes, put the item in front of you, you gotta guess what it is.
Wait 1 sec, I'm not recording.
Oh
Right,
shit.
go.
Oh, I feel I just have to get this out of the way.
Horizontal.
Fucking
Vertical.
Pepsi fucking
Right,
Max.
no, put that to the side. Put that to the side for now. Right.
Pepsi Max.
Oh, I
okay.
know what this is. I know what this is.
You bought me bin bags. I'm gonna fucking suffocate myself with these.
Is
Yes, my mum would appreciate that. Are you trying to win my mum over, you cheeky little shit?
I am.
Alright.
but no, guess what it is? Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes.
I don't know who my maybe like some sort of yogurt?
You close.
It's not medication, is it?
No.
I don't know, can I open my eyes?
Yeah.
Oh, I was pretty close. Lunchables,
There you are.
Lunchables.
He's like a kid at Christmas.
This is better than Christmas. Alright. We'll go for the what bad now. What the f- No. What the fuck is this?
I know what he's got. Is it cold?
You really cold? I don't know what it is. Ah, what the fuck? It's literal fucking ice. It's all fucking over me. Oh, hold on, let me put this out the fucking ice. Fucking ice, you nutter. Oh, fuck's sake, I'm wet now. I'm wet all over. Oh,
You'll have to eat an ice cube. We'll do a
Eat an
food
ice
challenge
cube.
after.
You gotta
Ooh.
make someone together.
Okay.
You gotta make a sandwich of all the things.
No, turn it around. Don't look. Don't.
Wait, it's just a...
Oh,
What do you think it is?
is it food?
No.
What?
No.
I don't know what it is.
Open your eyes.
Open.
Hold on.
This is awesome.
I can't open it. Alright. Is it fruit?
What?
Yeah.
Avocados.
A good for your healthy fats.
See the
I don't
fruits.
fucking like avocado. I'm gonna eat these though. Sweet. Alright. Oh shit, no, there's still some stuff in here. What the fuck is this? Oh, this is Capri Sun.
Yeah.
What the fuck? That's the only one I was confident with.
As part of your food challenge.
Surf
later.
boy. Look at that.
Go on, man. What do you think it is?
What is it?
Take
You can
a guess.
sniff it.
Oh.
He looked.
Oh, is it glue?
Yeah.
Yes! That is awesome. Alright. One thing left in the bag.
Oh, remember that Pepsi you had?
Oh, it's fucking Mentos. I'll do this tonight. Oh,
Don't
that's one
record
bag.
it.
That's one bag out the way. Alright.
He's literally a kid on Christmas.
Jack, what the fuck are you doing?
I
It's
know what
another
he's got.
cold heavy thing.
No. Close your eyes. Show the camera.
Beef.
Show the camera.
Potatoes! You brought me fucking potatoes!
As you get hungry, put the chow mein on it.
Right, yeah, potatoes, wonderful. I'm running out of fucking places to put this shit, I'm telling you.
You gotta go show your mom.
I don't know what.
This is fucking...
I can't. We're not doing that.
Alright. Oh shit. That's it! Well, hey!
Cocomentos, Cocomentos, Cocomentos.
Alright, let me go figure out how to do this, hold on.
One last thing so to cut out.
Fucking hell,